Today, we're looking at the Density Cylinder Interactive Calculator, a specialized tool that solves a fundamental engineering problem, calculating the relationship between mass, volume, and density for cylindrical objects, including both solid and hollow cylinders. Whether you're designing pressure vessels, storage tanks, or mechanical components, understanding these relationships is critical for material selection and structural analysis. Let's explore the inputs. First, you'll see the Calculation Mode dropdown. This offers 6 options: calculate density, calculate mass, calculate volume, calculate radius, calculate height, and calculate hollow cylinder density. Each mode rearranges the calculator to solve for your unknown variable. For our demonstration, I'll select Calculate Density. The input fields include mass in kilograms, radius in meters, and height in meters. When you select the hollow cylinder mode, you'll also see inner radius and outer radius fields. The calculator automatically displays density in kilograms per cubic meter and volume in cubic meters based on your selected mode. Let me walk through a practical example. Say we're analyzing a steel cylindrical component. I'll enter a mass of 245 kilograms, a radius of 0.15 meters, and a height of 0.8 meters. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows a density of 4,329 kilograms per cubic meter, with a volume of 0.0565 cubic meters. These outputs tell us the material density, which helps verify material specifications, and the exact volume for space planning and shipping calculations. One critical insight: always double-check your unit consistency. Mixing millimeters with meters is the most common error that leads to density values off by factors of thousands. Find the link in the description below.